So we had actually built our previous version to handle a certain event threshold, which we had surpassed, and frankly the platform was creaking a bit towards the edges. We took this opportunity to refactor the entire code base and the tech stack for the next phase of growth that we were on. As part of this, we also introduced the entire core AI framework, and that has what has led to what internally we were referencing as FirstHive Spark. As part of this release, we have redesigned the overall user experience and introduced our brand new design system, reworked complete data and user flows, and made the functionalities a lot more robust and significantly gone deeper into how the data in the platform can get activated. This is frankly, in our opinion, the foundation that has made Eddy possible. So most CDPs, what they end up doing is bolting AI just on top. So a recommendation widget here, a predictive score there, and that's the synopsis of how they kind of look at their AI. Eddy is fundamentally different because Eddy is the orchestration layer itself. It doesn't just assist the decisions, it actually makes the decisions across journeys, across channels, across audiences, and all of this in real time. The AI for FirstHive is not just a feature, it is the core engine, it is the product. Eddy is architecturally different from other CDPs out there. It sits on the orchestration layer itself, not as an add-on, but as the core decision-making engine. So when a customer event fires, Eddy is not just surfacing a recommendation for the marketer to act on. It is evaluating the context across the entirety of the customer profile. It is determining the right audience, the right channel, and the right moment for the right message to be sent out. And it does that without human in the loop if you so choose. And because Eddy is actually built on top of FirstHive's unified data foundation, it works with the complete resolved customer identity, not fragmented signals coming in from disconnected tools. And that matters enormously. And AI is only as good as the data it reasons over, and most AI-first CDPs are making decisions today on incomplete pictures. The last thing I also want to call out here is that Eddy learns. So every interaction, every conversion, every drop-off, it feeds back into how it will make the next decision. And as part of this, as the system kind of compounds over time, the intent is not just to automate what you were already manually doing. It is to progressively get better at the outcomes that you couldn't have engineered yourself. That is the core difference between AI as a feature and AI as the core product. The shift for the customer, the shift for the marketeer is basically from configuring campaigns to Eddy continuously optimizing for outcomes. So customers essentially stop asking what segment should I target, what campaign should I run on what channel, and rather they start asking what result do I want. And Eddy handles the rest. Everything from audience selection, the timing, the channel, the message variant. Human stays in the loop. So human stays in strategy, Eddy stays in execution. Faster time to insight, fewer manual handoffs, campaigns that improve with time without constant interventions. More practically, less reliance on analyst cues to unlock action, and marketing that actually responds to customer behavior at machine speed, not in sprint cycles. Eddy, a year from now, is handling majority of the orchestration decisions autonomously, and customers implicitly trust it enough to let it. The measure isn't just the efficiency gains, it's that our customer teams are actually focused on strategy and creativity, not configuration. And Eddy keeps getting smarter with every interaction that happens on the platform, every new event stream that keeps getting ingested into FirstHive. And proof of the pudding is the attributable ROI that our clients will ascribe to Eddy, and something that we are hopefully speaking about a year from now.